we are with another grammar topic that is again going to help you get the best content from your brains in IELTS. The topic is degree. Now I have written 3 different sentences in front of you and let me read out for you. Life in city is good. Correct sentence, simple sentence. Let's see another one. Life in village is better than city. Third, life in forest is the best. So what have I actually done in all the 3 sentences? And how this topic, this degree going to help me in IELTS? Let us see. Here, let me spot nouns for you. I have life, I have city is a noun. This is an adjective. What have I done? I have written it very simply. I have just talked about a noun, city, and provided a quality. That how is the life in city? It's good. That's it. So, when I am talking about one noun, so if I'm talking about one noun, I am using positive degree. What it is called? It's called positive degree. When you're not comparing, you're just giving quality about one noun. It is known as positive degree. Now, in the second sentence, I have written life in village is better than city. Means I have compared 2 nouns. I have generated comparison between 2 nouns. I have taken the life in the village and the life in city. So I have compared 2 nouns, noun number 1 and noun number 2. So ये 2 nouns को मैंने compare किया और 2 ही nouns है. So जब हम सिर्फ 2 nouns को compare करते हैं, तो ये हुई आपकी comparative degree. Now, there is something very important to pay attention to. If you see the word than, I haven't used THEN, I have used THAN, than. So जब आप compare करते हो तो आपका spelling आता है THAN and it is pronounced as than. THEN is pronounced as then. This is than, THAN. So whenever you are comparing, pay attention to the spelling. Have you written by mistake THEN or you have correctly written THAN? Up the third sentence, life in forest is the best among all the places. So I have compared one noun with more than 1 nouns. Means here the comparison is between more than 2 nouns. So when I have taken out one noun out of a lot many nouns, means I have used superlative degree. This is known as superlative degree. This is known as superlative degree. So whenever, now what have you to pay attention to when you are using this degree? The article the. Whenever you're using the superlative degree, before the degree, article the has to be put, has to be placed. So, जब भी आप डिग्रीज के साथ में वर्क करते हो तो सबसे पहली चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखनी है कि अगर आप सिर्फ दो ही नाउन्स को कंपेयर कर रहे हो तो यू हैव टू यूज़ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री। अगर आप एक नाउन को दूसरे से ज़्यादा मीन्स मोर देन 2 nouns you are comparing, you have to use superlative degree. अब जनरली स्टूडेंट्स क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं जल्दबाजी में? People tend to write like this. They use comparative degree twice. ऐसा कुछ हमारे बोलने में भी गलती से ऐसा मिस्टेक आ जाती है। हाँ, काफ़ी बार आती है, मोर भी आता है, बेटर भी आता है। सो दिस इज़ एन एरर। सो जब भी आप कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज़ करते हो तो ये चीज़ को आपको ध्यान रखना है इवन वाइल यू आर स्पीकिंग और वाइल यू आर राइटिंग। अब ये इंफॉर्मेशन, ये लॉजिक मुझे कहाँ काम में आएगा? ये एक वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट लॉजिक्स है व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग विद टास्क 1 ऑफ IELTS. When you have to compare, when you have to develop comparison between different categories, different percentages, different years. So there the understanding about this degree is going to help you to use correct degree at correct place. Let me show you a few examples of this so you can have a clear idea. Okay, so here I have tried to draw a simple line graph to help you understand how to pick a degree. तो यहाँ पे 3 lines है. Let us give them a name, say A, B and C. ठीक है. अब C is 50%, B is 30% and A is 10%. तो जब हम सिर्फ A के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हम कौन सी डिग्री यूज़ करेंगे? अब आपको एकदम अच्छे से पता है और आप मुझे I am very sure is going to give me correct answer. Yes, we are going to use the positive degree. But अगर मैं B को A के साथ कंपेयर करूँ तो अब मैं कौन सी डिग्री यूज़ करूँगी? Yes, I am going to use the comparative degree. And if I am using C and I am comparing C with the remaining 2, so which degree am I supposed to use? Absolutely correct, the superlative degree. Yes. So now you would know कि आप जब कंपैरिजन डेवलप करते हो आपके कंटेंट में टास्क 1 में मोस्टली, तो आपको डिग्री पिक करने में बहुत केयरफुल रहना चाहिए which degree you are picking and how many nouns or categories are you comparing. So this because many a times अब ये चैप्टर हमने क्यों लिया है, वो इसलिए लिया कि ताकि आप ये एरर ना करो। बिकॉज जब हम एक फ्लो में होते हैं, हमारा कंटेंट लिखने के फ्लो में होते हैं, तो काफ़ी अक्सर ऐसी गलतियां हमसे हो जाती है। लेकिन अगर हमको उसके लॉजिक्स पता है, कब यूज़ करना है ये पता है, उनके रूल्स पता है, तो जब हम चेक करते हैं हमारा कंटेंट एटलीस्ट तब हम ये सारी गलतियाँ रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हैं। दैट इज़ द रीज़न मैंने ये चैप्टर पिक किया, जिससे अगर भी आप गलती करते हो, सबसे पहले तो गलती अब होनी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन फिर भी अगर होती है तो आप आपकी गलती पिक करके उसको रिजॉल्व कर सकते हो। सो हियर आई हैव written 2 examples where I have developed a conversion of degree. If I have used a superlative degree, let us say rose is the most beautiful flower of all, means I have compared one rose, one category of flower with rest of the flowers of the world. So I have used the superlative degree and hence I have written the most. Now if I want to convert this degree into a comparative degree, how am I going to do? Can you give me a hint that what kind of word will come here as a comparison? If I say rose is dash beautiful, so what is that word that I can take to show the comparison? If I have used most, yes, more. So I say that rose is more beautiful. Now what would come here? THEN or THAN? Yes, THAN. So here there will be a question in your mind कि यहाँ पे मैंने रोज़ को इतने सारे फ्लावर्स के साथ कनेक्ट किया, कंपेयर किया, तो मैंने सुपरलेटिव लिखा. सेम थिंग वही मैंने यहाँ पे किया, लेकिन मैंने कंपैरेटिव यूज़ किया. Now what is happening exactly? When if I want to change my degree from superlative to comparative, this is how I do. I take one category in say one basket and the rest of the categories with which I am comparing in one basket. So at the end I have only two things to be compared. So here I am taking rose as one basket. It is compared with, say, rose is more beautiful than rest of the other flowers which are in one basket. Okay, let us see one more example where I have converted a comparative into positive. Ram is smarter than Shyam. So I have developed comparison between Ram and Shyam, wherein I have used the comparative degree with THAN. Now what will come? What will happen if I am converting this into a positive degree? Shyam is, what shall I write here? So smart or smarter, what shall I pick here? As Ram. Now if you pay attention, I have taken Shyam as my starting word, starting noun, and not Ram. So I have reversed the situation. Ram is smarter. Here I have reversed everything, keeping the meaning intact, keeping Ram still being the smartest or smarter, sorry. So what kind of word should I write here? So can I say that Shyam is not so? Now which word should I pick? Smart or smarter? Don't forget you have a positive degree. So should you use smarter or should you use smart? Yes, because we are having the positive degree, we are going to use smart. So now it comes, Shyam is not so smart as Ram. So I guess now you have become little self-reliant on how to change degrees. Now I have one more example for you. So let's see this third example. So here I have written one more example for you to have a clarity of idea. This is a superlative degree where it says lion is the most ferocious animal on the planet. Now what if we convert the superlative into comparative? Means we'll put all the lions, one category, in one basket and all other animals in another basket. So now it becomes no other animal is, now what would you pick, more or most? If we have a comparative degree, we are supposed to pick more. Ferocious dash lion. Now what would I write here? Try guess. No other animal is more ferocious than lion. Exactly. T-H-A-N. Than lion. Now the same, let us convert it into positive. How shall I start this sentence? Dash animal is so ferocious as lion. Can you pick the guess? Yes. No animal on the planet is so ferocious as lion. So now if you focus on how a degree can be converted. So why are we learning this? ये हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? ये हम इसलिए पढ़ रहे हैं ताकि आप आपके राइटिंग टास्क 1 में एक वैरायटी प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, जहां आपको हर बार एक नाउन को दूसरे नाउन के साथ कंपेयर करना ही पड़ता है. आपको कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, पॉजिटिव, इनको यूज़ करना पड़ता है. तो जब एक जैसे सेंटेंसेस घड़ी घड़ी आने लगे, तो अगर आपको ये लॉजिक क्लियर है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो आप आपके रीडर को एक वैरायटी दे सकते हो, एक डिफरेंट टेस्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस दे सकते हो. यू कैन शो डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ यूजिंग द डिग्रीज. दिस विल हेल्प यू to boost your scores in grammatical range and accuracy. So guys, do practice of this. I'm very much sure that a couple of sentences like these and you're done with this.